Hey guys, I got this box and all the products in it complimentary from Influenster, and I'm trying out this brand Mary Kay. What's in here? I think it's sort of like a magazine. Yeah. Next is about the acne solution and what products I'm getting. These are the products I'm getting. And then so this is what's in here. It comes with 4 full-sized products. Open it up. This one is the clarifying cleansing gel. This one is blemish control toner. This one's acne treatment gel, and this one's oil-free moisturizer for acne-prone skin. So these are the products complimented from Influencer for testing purposes.